Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This guy hangs on tight as an attempt not to fall off. Out. When there's a flood and electricity is down, this is one way to have fun. Jumped off the boat and straight into the water. Next time, don't do that. They cannot move as the tide has gone back down. Stuck. Watch as this man kayaks through the waves these two boats made. Yeah! The kayak flipped, but he is fine. Now that was an awesome recovery. They are getting a little too close to the shore. Barely made it. Whoa, these guys are going super fast. You have to have skill in order to do this. Now that there is a sport. Watch these guys get launched up. Reminder to always wear a belt.
Oh my god.
Animal boards boat and goes for a nice ride. He is straight chilling. Gets wiped off a boat, but nice try though. Next time, hold tighter. Those are some good friends. Guys, what part of the ocean is this? Comment down below.
And then you're gonna attack right when you get past me, alright?
The best pirate of them all.
Alright. Trim in a little bit.
Captain Jack Sparrow. This boat's about to flip. I told you. Chad's daddy let him take his friends out on the boat this evening. Rest in peace to that boat. Jumping up and up and up and up. Getting launched in the air and falling off the boat. Where is this at? Those waves are crazy. There's no way they can make it through it. Knock that drone down sky high. Oof, that poor drone. Coming in hot. Psych. If anyone knows what this vessel is called, please comment down below. Alright boys, thanks for watching. Subscribe and turn on post notifications for more.